did. Did she get them all out of there, Annabelle? Here they come. Are they stuck? Stuck. Okay, now what's the plan? What's she gonna do, Annabelle? What's she gonna do? I see. Where are all the letters? Where are they all, Josie? Oh, I see. Okay, now what? More butts. More butts. Did you get them? Pick them all up, Josie? Where are they? Are they back in the bottle? Okay, Annabelle's going to do it. Oops! Annabelle's going to get them all in the bottle, Josie. Are there any more, Annabelle? Are they in the pails? Oh. Oop. Oh my goodness, now what's Josie gonna do? Oh my goodness. Well, you can put that in the bottle too. Do you want to put that in there? Oh, Josie, silly girl. Isn't she so silly, Annabelle? Okay, let's pick them all up because it's almost time for lunch. Let's go put them in the bottle and we'll take them in the kitchen with us for lunchtime. Ready? Yeah, did you get them all yet, Josie? Ooh, yellow. Can you put that in there? Green. Oh, Josie's bringing them all together. Yellow. In they go. Almost done. Okay. Are they all picked up now so we can go have some lunch? Oh, let's put it in there. Josie, we're going to go take him in so we can have lunch. Don't dump him over, Josie! Josie! Oh my goodness, Josie Taylor! Oh my goodness. Okay, you know what? Let's put him in the buckets. Let's put him in your pails, and then we'll take him in for lunch. Okay?
What?
Go to the window. Who's here? Now Daisy is barking too. Let's go see Aunt Josie. Let's go to the window and we'll see who's here. Come on. Oops.